Welcome, math magicians! Today, I'm about to share some awesome math tricks that you won't find in your textbooks. Whether you want to impress your friends or just make math easier, these tricks are going to blow your mind. No calculators needed, just a sprinkle of math magic. Ready? Let's dive in! Trick 1. Quick multiplication by 5. Let's start with a fast way to multiply by 5. Here's the trick. Take the number you want to multiply by 5. Divide it by 2. If it's a whole number, add a 0 to the end. If it's not, drop the decimal and add 5. For example, let's find out the answer for 36 multiplied by 5. First, divide 36 by 2. The answer is 18. Now, add a 0 to the end. That will give you 180. Done. 36 multiplied by 5 is 180. Let's look at another example. Multiplying 47 with 5. Similar to the previous example, first divide 47 by 2, and we will get 23.5. Now, drop the decimal point, and you have your answer. 47 multiplied by 5 is equal to 235. Cool, right? It's quicker than the traditional method, and it works every time. Trick 2, the magic of 1089. This one feels like magic, but it's pure math. Follow these steps. Think of any 3-digit number where the first digit is larger than the last. Let's take 753, for example. Now reverse the number. So, in this case, 753 becomes 357. In the next step, subtract the smaller number from the larger one. That is 753 minus 357. And we get 396. Now reverse the number as done in the previous step. You get 693. Now here's the magic. Add the two results. That is 396 plus 693, and you get 1089. No matter what number you start with, you'll always end up with 1089. Isn't that wild? Try it with other numbers to test. Trick 3, the 15% tip trick. Ever struggled to calculate a 15% tip at a restaurant? Here's a fast hack. Start with 10% of the bill by moving the decimal one place to the left. Take half of that amount to get 5%. Add the two together and you've got 15%. For example, if your bill is $42.50, 10% is $4.25. 5% is half of that, which becomes $2.13. Add them together, that is $4.25 plus $2.13. That is equal to $6.38. Boom! Your 15% tip is $6.38. No need for a calculator. Trick 4, checking multiplication. Want to quickly check if your multiplication is correct? Use the digit sum method. Here's how it works. First, take the numbers you multiplied and find the sum of their digits. Then, multiply the sums together. And finally, take the sum of the digits of your result. If it matches the sum of the digits of your actual product, you're correct. Confused? Let's work this out with an example. Let's check if 27 multiplied by 14 equals 378 is correct. First, add the sum of digits of each number. That is, 27 becomes 2 plus 7, and we get 9. And 14 becomes 1 plus 4, and we get 5. Multiply 9 and 5, we get the value as 45. Now add the sum of the digits. So 45 becomes 4 plus 5, that is 9. Now add the sum of the digits of the initial product. That is 378. Let's write it as 3 plus 7 plus 8, and we get 18. Add the digits again, so 18 becomes 1 plus 8, so we get the answer as 9. The sum of the digits matches, so the calculation is correct. Try this out with any multiplication, and you will always get correct answer. Trick 5, multiplying numbers near 100. Here's a shortcut for multiplying numbers close to 100. Subtract each number from 100, and add the differences. Now subtract that sum from 100. This gives you the first part of the answer. Multiply the differences for the second part. Let's check this with an example. Multiply 98 and 96. First, subtract 98 from 100, and you get 2. Then subtract 96 from 100, and you get 4. Add the difference, that is 2 plus 4, and you get 6. Now subtract the difference from 100, that is 100 minus 6, and you get 94. Now multiply the differences. That is 2 multiplied by 4, and we get 8. Combine the results 94 and 8, and we get 9,408 as the answer. 98 multiplied by 96 is 9,408. And there you have it, math tricks that are fun, fast, and surprisingly easy once you know the secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more math magic.